Good morning. It is a beautiful day here in central Iowa. Just sitting out here enjoying my flowers for a little bit and soaking up some vitamin D. And in a minute here, I'm going to go in and have my first coffee of the day. So now back inside, I'm going to go ahead and make my coffee. I start with espresso and I put 2 pods in the machine and I make 2 shots basically. And then after that, I get out the Premier Protein Shake in caramel. I love this flavor, it's my favorite. And I put half of it in the glass. I always weigh it out just to make sure I have 5.5 ounces. And I apologize, I lost the footage that shows you how to make the rest of it. But basically what you do is you put the espresso in, you put 1 tablespoon of the creamer coffee and some of the hazelnut syrup along with some ice, and it's super delicious. Bottoms up. Yum. It's my favorite part of the day. On days when I go to the gym, I also have this yogurt and granola for energy. So now that I've finished my yogurt, it's time for the pool. So back home from the pool, and I'm gonna go ahead and make up some eggs. I really need them. I'm starving, so I usually have this breakfast burrito with an egg and some salsa and a little bit of avocado. It's so good. So, I try to drink 3 of these a day. I start in the morning. When I wake up, I have half, and then I have another half before my breakfast. I get up really early now. I get up about 7 in the morning. I go to the gym around 11:30, so if I can get one of these in before I go to the gym, that's my goal. And then after my breakfast, before lunch, I'll have another one. And then throughout the day, I'll just kind of sip on this and try to go for a third. It does really make a difference because we are made of water, and when we think we're hungry, we're really just thirsty a lot of the times. I use these water enhancers called Starburst. I used to be able to drink water with ice, no problem, but after my surgery, I just feel like it tastes like salt, like I'm drinking salt. It's a really weird phenomena. But if you want these, you can get these at Amazon here in the United States or at the dollar store. But I get mine I get a big bulk of them at Amazon. So, cheers. Hi guys, it's lunch and I wanted to do something a little different today. I usually have like kind of basic boring stuff, so I wanted to shake it up a little bit, so I kind of made like a bento box. And so what I have in here is some of the buffalo chicken that I used for my salad the other night, cucumber, some mixed fruit, about a ½ ounce of cheese, and some hummus. After lunch, I went to see my dad. He is in an assisted living facility, has dementia, and I try to get over to see him once or twice a week. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat and kind of talk and have dinner with y'all, if that's okay. This week has been better than last. I mean, I've been more consistent with my eating for sure. But while I was going through that, I didn't really care about what I ate. I don't remember eating. I'm sure I ate, but I don't know what I ate. And I don't like that. I don't know why I get that kind of amnesia when I have stress. I don't know if you guys go through that or not either. I think I had Arby's one day but I just had the roast beef because I tried a French fry. It's really weird with weight loss surgery. They'll tell you can't have carbs, and you're like, well, why? It's because you want me to have you like keto? You want me to be low carb so I can lose weight? I don't even know if keto works. I think it works. But anyway, they say no carbs. No carbs. Minimal carbs, 30 grams of carbs. And if you eat something like a pasta, or if you eat something like a French fry, or something greasy that's like got a lot of like coating on it, like a chicken sandwich or something, I guarantee you if you have that at the stage that I'm at right now, which is almost 4 months, it's not going to sit with you. Don't even try it. So I was going to go over my stats with you guys in the beginning, but I think I'll just do it now. You know, since this week was a little chaotic and crazy, I only got to the gym like once this week. I went today as well, but I don't know. I could have been doing a lot more. I guess I would have had an extra day in there because I go every other day. And I ate pretty good, but I didn't eat enough. And today when I weighed myself, I was up a pound to 271.8, and I don't like that at all. And I really want to keep myself on the straight and narrow now. My doctor told me 2 protein shakes and 3 meals, and so that's what I'm doing. I don't think I can eat another protein shake though tonight. I'm pretty full and I'm super tired. So I'm going to drink the rest of my protein shake, and hopefully I'll be at my protein goal. I'm going to check when I'm done here. But I want to try to keep to that formula instead of eating like last week. We had peanut butter. We had these peanut butter yogurt and Lily chocolate, like they're almost like Reese's Pieces frozen bars that I made. They were really good, and 185 calories, not bad. But I think when I'm in the 6-month period, I want to try to follow my doctor as closely as I can. But if I get hungry, then I'll just eat more. Like tonight, I have, instead of 2 ounces, I have 3 ounces of food. I probably won't eat this all. I probably only eat 2 ounces because you just get full. It's really strange. That little, what do they call it? Like funnel, it fills up quickly. And I at first was very hesitant about getting weight loss surgery because I'm a foodie and I love to cook. And I thought, I can do this on my own. I can just eat less and eat healthy food. This surgery has helped me tremendously. Really has helped me. And I'm very, very grateful and blessed to my friend who suggested it. And I'm very grateful and blessed for my bariatric team and to my husband as well, who's been there to support me. I know now that with this and just getting my head together, I can lose this weight. And so hopefully next week when I report back in, I will have a loss of 2 or 3 pounds. I know my body, I know how it works. This happened last month, where I wasn't losing weight for like the first 2 weeks. And then towards the end of the month, I lost all of it. I lost like 13 pounds, I think, last month. Not 13, I lost about 10, which was really good. So if I can lose like 4 pounds this month, I'll be happy. My doctor told me this 3-month period, you're going to really slow down because my body's been through a lot and it's lost a lot. So I can't expect it to constantly be doing that. I mean, I'm going to try my best. And another thing I need to be doing is drinking more water. And I'm going to show you later my water intake, what I use, and the water enhancers that I use. But the water is very, very important. So thank you for coming along today. If you like this recipe for beef and broccoli, let me know. It's really good. It tastes very similar to the Chinese food. There's no rice in here, no cauliflower rice. I thought about it. I just am too full to do cauliflower rice, but in the future, that's what I would do. So anyway, it was great hanging out with you guys today, and I look forward to the next video, which will be a week from today. Thanks again for all your support. If you like this content and you're interested in weight loss surgery and you want to see the different phases, please hit the subscribe button and please hit the like button and please comment on my videos. I would really appreciate it. I am trying my best to get my videos out to the algorithm to get more views, get more likes. I would like that, but also to help you guys that are interested in surgery. You can kind of see a normal person, what they eat, the journey from start to finish, and see if this is right for you. So again, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Have a great night, and I'll see you next time. Bye.